Okay, when I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive. If you are, because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are not represented by an attorney, or if you're representing yourself, when I call your name, please come forward by yourself. And those individuals that's on Zoom, when I call the case, you can take your mic off of mute. First case is cause number 26 CCCR 0244. Case is style of state of Texas versus James Trey Copeland. Mr. Copeland and his attorney are appearing on Zoom. Mr. Copeland, how
Yes,
are
sir.
you doing?
Yes, sir. I'm doing well. Thank you.
That's good. And Ms. Copeland, you're represented by your attorney, Willard Hall. Mr. Hall, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Your Honor. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, Your Honor. And how are you and your staff?
We're doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Hall, this case is on the court's announcement docket. What is your announcement in Mr. Copeland's case?
Your Honor, we have received discovery from the state, and I've spoken on several occasions with Mr. Copeland, and I need to talk to the prosecutor about this case. We may also be asking for pretrial diversion in this case. I would ask for a 2-month recess, hopefully like in mid-June.
Okay, pretrial, March, April, May. Okay, give us a reset. It's going to be put on keep it on the announcement docket.
Like 30 days?
Yeah, well, no, just do May trying to apply for pretrial diversion.
It'll be May 11th.
Okay, this case will be reset to May 11th of 2026. Mr. Copeland, your case is reset to May 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset dates. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Hall, your reset will be sent to you.
Your
Yes.
Honor, I was asking for a reset like towards the middle or end of June. 2 months.
Oh, that's right. I did say 2 months, 60 days. Yeah. Because June, it could be the second week of June because okay, because their pretrial is the first week of sign-up date is first week of June, right?
Pretrial, I'll leave it on the house.
No. He's trying to sign up for pretrial diversion. Pretrial diversion is every other month.
Okay.
So it's April, then June is gonna be one after April. So it's the first Thursday in the month. So put it, yeah, that second week. What's the date?
June.
Okay, this case will be reset to June 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m. And Mr. Copeland, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Again, that case is reset to June 8th, 2026. The recess will be sent to your attorney and your bondsman. And Mr. Copeland, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Mr. Hall, your reset will be sent to you. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Same to you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Copeland.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2028. Case is style of state of Texas versus Rex Leons. Mr. Leons, would you please come forward with your attorney? And Ms. Nixon, that's your case. Mr. Leons, your full name is Rex Leons?
Rex Leonson.
How are you doing, Mr. Leons? That's good. Mr. Leons, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. Attorney Reynolds, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Reynolds, Mr. Leon's case is on the pretrial conference docket. And what is your announcement?
Judge, back in January, I sent a letter to the DA's office requesting that he be considered for pretrial diversion, and apparently wherever I sent it wasn't the right place. I'd still like to ask that the court reset this back on the announcement docket to give him the opportunity to be considered for pretrial.
Okay,
And if he's not considered for pretrial, I believe it'll be worked out without trouble.
okay, so we have to give him a May date because the next pretrial signing is after April is in May. No, June, excuse me, June. We're gonna give you a June date.
Yeah, the first court date after the
Right.
signing date.
Right.
It'd be June 8th.
Okay, this case will be reset to June 8, 2026. Mr. Leons, you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Reynolds, once you get your reset, this is your other case?
Yes, sir, Judge.
Okay, you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
You are. Next two cases are cause numbers 25 CCCR 2666, cause number 25 CCCR 2667. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Dalton Allen Wayne Havard. Do we have any bond conditions? Bond conditions? Effort. Announcement. Is Dalton Allen Wayne Havard on the announcement docket? 6 and 6-7.
Is it on now?
It's finally, I don't know. Had their update or something.
Yes. Give me some bond conditions. Now, Mr. Havard, your full name is Dalton Allen Wayne Havard. Is
Yes,
that
sir.
correct? How you doing, Mr. Havard?
Pretty good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Havard, you're represented in your case by Attorney Jeffrey Roebuck. Mr. Roebuck, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Roebuck, what are your announcements in Mr. Havard's cases?
I believe we had reached a plea agreement with the state, in that we're gonna have forfeiture of the pistol that was in this vehicle, and it's gonna be reduced to a Class C misdemeanor on the reckless driving.
Okay. So,
We're working on it right now.
We're working on it.
okay, just have a seat.
Yes.
Okay. Latravian Coleman. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR
No comment.
one. What do you, is there a plea?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Oh, I was wondering why he said no contest. Hold on, okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1308. Case is style the state of Texas versus Latravian Coleman. And Mr. Coleman, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Coleman? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Coleman, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jack Lawrence. And Mr. Lawrence, how are you doing?
Just fine, Your Honor.
And this case is on the court's pretrial conference docket. What is your announcement?
Your Honor, you'll probably want to go ahead and set this case for trial. We're
Okay,
going to
give us
plead
give
the
us a
second.
trial date. Oh, hold on a minute. It's on the pretrial conference docket. Let's put it on trial docket. Okay, let's set it for trial.
And we basically filed everything in written form that we need to file.
Okay,
It'll be met for.
I hadn't seen.
I don't know what he's talking. Okay, this case is set for trial May 4th of 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Coleman, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Lawrence, you get your reset. You have any more cases or this is the only case?
Just this.
Okay, so you're free to go.
4th at what time?
9 a.m. You'll get your reset. It'll be on your reset. All right.
I assume if it's 9 a.m., then there's not going to be a jury.
It will be a jury. You come at 9 a.m. and announce whether or not you're going to trial, and the jury will be selected at 1:30 that afternoon. All right. So get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. The next case is cause number 26 CCCR 0418. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Andre Illen.
Younger stuff, so you can go on there.
Prosecutor stands over, okay. Okay, this is cause number 26 CCCR 0418. Case is style of state of Texas versus is that Andre F. Illen? How are you doing?
Good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Illen is represented by his attorney, Larry L. Bailey. Attorney Bailey, how are you doing?
Doing fine. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, what is your announcement in Mr. Illen's case?
Well, we've reached an agreement, so.
Yeah, but y'all just.
Oh, so y'all gonna take care of today? Okay,
Yes.
we'll call you back up in a few minutes.
Okay,
All right,
thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She was here earlier. Hawkins' case was reset, wasn't it?
May 4th.
Okay, so let's see. Stephen Jael Gutierrez. Cause number 25 CCCR 2238. That's one of Miss Nixon's cases. Is she? Yes.
Well, it's Mr. Brown, Washington's together.
Mr. Gutierrez, your full name is it Stephen Jael Gutierrez?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm good at yourself.
Doing fine, thanks for asking. And Ms. Gutierrez, you represented in your case by your attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here, however, standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Attorney Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And what is your announcement in Mr. Gutierrez's case?
Your Honor, Mr. Gilmore is still working through the discovery on this one. We'd ask for a brief reset.
Discovery. Okay, this case is reset to May 4th.
Yeah.
2026, give your attorney opportunity to get discovered. Mr. Gutierrez, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you as well.
Thank you.
There's one more, Judge. Possibly.
Okay, yes, he's on Zoom. This is cause number 23 CCCR 1182. And the case is styled the state of Texas versus Juan Carlos Tamayo Aragon. Mr. Aragon is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Juan Carlos Tamayo Aragon, you can take your mic off of mute. And how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And you representing your case by your attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here, however, standing in for Attorney Galmore's attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Dustin Galmore?
Yes.
Okay. And Ms. Simmons, what's your announcement in Mr. Tamayo Aragon's case?
Your Honor, I believe Mr. Gilmore actually filed a blood discovery request in this one. It has not yet been signed by you.
It hadn't? Oh,
Don't believe so, Judge.
let me take a look. 8/11/82 on the trial. Order.
It was.
March 23rd.
Okay, well, if that's the case, Your Honor, then we're just waiting for the blood discovery to be returned.
Okay. Give us a reset date.
This one we do.
This one does not.
Gonna be May 11th.
And this one keeps shutting down.
May 11th.
All right, this one.
Okay, this case will be reset for trial, May 11th, 2026. Waiting on the blood discovery.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
I believe
And
that's all that Mr. Galmore has.
yes, that's all I see.
Yes, Judge.
Yes, yes, you may.
Judge.
Hold on a minute. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 0668. Case is style of state of Texas versus Catherine G. Robbins. Yeah, he's on. Yes. You can put your purse on the table. Yes. Is that Mr. Williams' case? Yeah. This is Miss Robbins. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0668. Case is style of the state of Texas versus Catherine G. Robbins. Miss Robbins, is that your full name? How are you doing, Miss Robbins? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Miss Robbins. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Jansen Bailey, and Mr. Bailey is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Bailey, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
That's good, Mr. Bailey. This case is on the pretrial conference docket. What is your announcement?
Your Honor, this is going to be a plea.
And we're going to set it on a plea docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this, Segur?
We'll discuss it further, Mr. Bailey.
Ms. Segur? This case is Ms. Robbins on the pretrial conference docket, page 1, is going to be reset for a plea.
So, it's May 14th.
Okay. Okay, this case will be reset to May 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Robbins, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And Mr. Bailey, your reset will be sent to you. And is this your only case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Okay, the court will be in recess. Okay, Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session. Let's see. Court is in session in 2 cases. Cause numbers 25 CCCR 2666, cause number 25 CCCR 2667. Both cases established state of Texas versus Dalton Allard Wayne Havard. And Mr. Havard, will you please raise your right hand? Mr. Havard, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes.
Mr. Havard, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Havard?
Pretty good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Havard, you represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jeffrey Roebuck. And Mr. Roebuck, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Roebuck, do you waive a record in Mr. Havard's case?
Yes.
Mr. Havard, state is represented in this case by Ms. Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
Hi, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, Mr. Havard, in cause number 25 CCCR 2666, I have before me a document that is titled forfeiture, a motion to forfeit. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Before you sign this document, did your attorney go over this document with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay. Mr. Havard, the court is going to grant this motion to forfeit the weapon in this case. Got both my DPS, it should be just DPS.
I'm sorry.
Department of Public Safety. Yeah, let me. Yeah. So the weapon is gonna be forfeited to DPS, which is Department of Public Safety. Okay?
Well, whatever one you was in, maybe we need to try to get into it and get out of it.
It won't,
You can't lock it.
bar card, I mean, bar code where I put in my, won't come up on the legal side.
Okay, let's see, the day is six.
Maybe you can do that. Maybe you can do this one.
Okay. Now, state, I also have before me a motion to dismiss the case in cause number 25 CCCR 2666. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Havard, I'll be signing this motion to dismiss. You're gonna have to unlock mine too. Never mind. Let's see, 6 April. Okay. The case has just been dismissed and state you'll be resetting cause number 25 CCCR 2667, and that case is to be reduced to a Class C misdemeanor. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So we're leaving on the same day. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, how much time do you need to have that case refiled? Standard reset?
Standard reset.
Now, if he pays, I guess, the fine in the Class C misdemeanor before that date, he won't have to come here because the state will have already dismissed the case.
Great.
Okay. Okay, so you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you'll get a copy of the dismissal as well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. What did you think?
No meters.
Okay, this is, let's see, Mr. Cole. Okay, this is this Jaquan Broussard? Okay. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0762, case of style state of Texas versus Jaquan Broussard. Mr. Broussard, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Broussard? That you doing all right? That's good. Now, Mr. Broussard, you represented by your attorney Giles Cole. Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Great, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Cole, what's your announcement? And Mr. Broussard, this case is on the course trial document.
I don't know if we're set to go this afternoon.
Yes, at 1:30.
30.
We have a jury coming in at 1:30.
You give me a few minutes to discuss this.
Okay, that's fine. We'll hold. Now, Ms. Nixon,
Mr. Harper, with Mr. Martin's client.
Okay. Okay, hold on, okay.
I'm ready to go.
Oh, okay, now you have, oh, that was Harper, you said went to look for.
That was Mr. Harper.
Okay, okay. Let's
He's
see,
present.
Don Randall,
He's present. We're ready.
okay, so y'all
I
ready?
think she's specially suited.
Right,
Yeah, moving first.
how you doing, Ms. Randall? All right, so, Ms. Randall, okay, so the defense announced ready, state. I know that's Mr. Just have a, yeah, the DA is in the back. Okay.
I'm
Now,
ready.
the next case is, Sonia Mason wait up. You had another case, you had,
Mr. Harper.
Harper, okay.
He's the one.
You ready on that one too?
Yes, sir. He's looking for Mr. Lawrence's phone.
Okay, now you had another person named, Mr. Harper, would you please come forward?
Fine.
Yeah, he's screaming at me.
Okay, now, Mr. Harper, how are you doing? How are you doing, Mr. Harper? You doing good? And, okay, so you're announcing ready?
Ready.
Okay, so we'll wait for Mr. Cornelius Williams to come back.
Just have a seat.
Just have a seat. Now, you also have Roger Malloy Potter.
He should be in custody, Your Honor. He's got a murder case pending. So I don't know.
It's him right there.
Oh, the young one. Okay, I'm sorry. His dad, I'm sorry. This is Junior.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, your dad. I'm saying your dad.
Okay, how you doing, Mr. Roger Malloy Carter Jr.? And I'm doing fine, thanks. So actually, Mr. Kimler, you ready on that one too? And that's another one of Mr. Cornelius Williams' case.
Just have a seat.
Okay, I think, okay, those are only three that you have, okay. He's just announcing ready. They're on the trial docket. You have anybody else?
Yeah.
But y'all want me to send it back to y'all?
Which one? No, just leave that right there because it may have to be sent, it's gonna be sent back to the DA.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes,
Back to you.
yes. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1854, case of style the state of Texas versus Jaden Janae Moore. Ms. Moore.
I'm here.
Okay, how are you doing?
Good.
That's good. Now, Ms. Moore, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Tom Burbank, who's in court. And Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Fine, Judge.
And Mr. Burbank, this case is on the trial docket. What's your announcement?
Your Honor, last time we were here, Mr. Cornell, or Mr. Williams was supposed to get a hold of the complaining witness because there was some information that should have been dispositive of this case.
Okay, he's in the back. Okay, what we'll do, I'm gonna hold for right now. Give you opportunity to talk to Mr. Williams.
Would you get Mr. Williams now? No, we can't wait. That's you.
Yeah, okay. All right. No, he's gonna talk to Mr. Williams when he comes from the back.
I'm prepared to give this to
Okay,
you.
okay, hold on a minute. Just have a seat. We'll call you, we'll let you know when we're for it. And your client is still here?
No, he's gone.
He left? I thought he was outside talking to him. Well,
Nothing, that man.
I got it.
okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1946. Case is style the state of Texas versus Darrell Wayne Romar Jr.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Romar, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Romar?
Doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Romar, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Langston Adams. Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
And Mr. Adams, what's your announcement in Mr. Romar's case?
Judge, I sent an email and I confirmed this morning with Mrs. Sterling. His pretrial diversion contract signing is on April the 9th at 9.
Okay.
And this is the email. I
Okay,
got.
okay.
April the 9th, 9 a.m.
Okay, so what we'll do, give us a reset after April the 9th, and once he signs up, if he gets in the program, then we'll.
That's next week, right? April 9th?
Yes,
So once
no, that's this week, that's Thursday, this Thursday.
April 9th, Thursday.
Oh, the day of the
okay,
6th.
He's gonna, I'm gonna, he can let him go and I just get somebody to cover him because y'all know I got a vacation.
Okay, but that's on, we're not over a pretrial, that's the DA's office.
He'll be there April the 9th.
Okay, and so we're gonna reset him a week. Give him a week, and so once he gets once we get confirmation that he's in the program, then we'll do a reset for status here.
Perfect. So be up there at 9 o'clock. April 9th.
Okay, this case will be reset to Okay, so he got 2 dates. He got April the 9th to go sign up. And then the next day is April the 13th. You need to be here so that we can confirm that you're actually in the program, that you signed up, okay?
Thank you.
So you'll get your reset for your April 13th date from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And
And I
Mr.
told you
Adams,
In my other case.
you have Roundtree.
Yeah, that's the one I had.
Is
talked
Roundtree
about.
here? Glenn Derek Roundtree?
PC.
Okay, well,
Can we
we'll
talk?
give you a chance to give him a, you make contact with him. You can see if you can, yeah, it's just bondsman is, allied, Bill Bondsman.
Allied.
Yeah,
Thank you, Judge.
he may have a felony or something. Okay.
Appreciate it. Hey, this phone.
Did Mr. Williams come back in?
He did, but then he just went back out.
Yeah, he just did the previous bank for sure.
Okay, Mr. Lawrence, you can come on up. And your client, you can come up as well.
Good.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCC 1308. Case of style of state of Texas versus Latravian Coleman. Mr. Coleman, again, is that your full name?
Yeah.
Now, Mr. Coleman, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Coleman, do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Coleman, you may put your hand down. Now, again, Mr. Coleman, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Coleman, you're represented in your case by your attorney Jack Lawrence. And Mr. Lawrence, you and your client signed a document that is a waiver of jury trial. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
May I see this document? Now, Mr. Coleman, I have before me a document that is titled Waiver of Jury Trial. You recognize this document?
Yeah.
Is this your signature on this document? Now, before you signed this document, did your attorney go over this document with you? Now, is everything in this document true and correct? That is, that you would like to waive your right to a jury trial and have a bench trial? Okay, you don't understand what a bench trial is? Your attorney did not explain it to you.
It's the trial without a jury.
It's a trial, yeah, that's what the title's, yeah, it's a trial without a jury, which means that you'll be in trial. I'll be the judge and the jury in the case. Okay, and is that what you want? You want to have a jury trial? I mean, not a jury trial. You want to have a bench trial? So you want to try, okay. All right. So everything in this document is true and correct to the best of your knowledge. Now, I'm not trying to put words in your mouth. I'm not trying to force you or coerce you to do anything that you don't want to do. Because I'm looking at your face. You're saying one thing, but you got a frown on your face. Is there something that's bothering you? Okay, and what is that?
Oh, understand why. They having some guns is not even.
Well, you're talking about the offer that the state made to you. Okay, well, I can't get involved in the offer. You could accept or reject that offer. Okay? And
Rejected.
okay, I understand that. So you're rejecting the offer, is that correct? Okay, and so at this point, you do not want a jury trial, but you want a bench trial.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna reset it for, as the reset is May 4th for bench trial. We usually do our bench trials on at the end of the week on Thursday or Friday.
I've been shown, May 14th, was a Thursday.
Okay, at 1:30. Okay, this case will be reset for a bench trial. And before I do that, I have this waiver state. I see that you also signed on as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so this bench trial will reset May 14th, 2020.
14th?
Yes, May 14th,
Okay.
2026 at 1:30. Okay, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Okay, you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Lawrence.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Is Mr. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0762. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jaquan Broussard. Mr. Broussard, is that your full name?
Yes.
And Mr. Broussard, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Broussard, you may put your hand down. Mr. Broussard, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Giles Cole. Mr. Cole, do you waive a record in Mr. Broussard's case?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Broussard, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Jaquan Broussard, on or about February 10th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest detention. Mr. Broussard, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Broussard, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest?
Now, you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Broussard, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked notice of injury. The initials are JB. Did you place your initials JB on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Broussard, I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Broussard, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Broussard, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State law, State's Exhibit 1.
Any objections? No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Cole, you advised me, counsel, Mr. Broussard, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial? And Mr. Broussard, your attorney, Mr. Cole, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Broussard, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargaining agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It's 5 days in county jail, time served, time actually served, and all court costs to be taxed and retired.
Okay, Mr. Broussard, the state is offering that you serve 5 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any more time in Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 5 days in jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means you will not have to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in the jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Broussard, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Broussard, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Broussard, you stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Cole, I think this is your only case.
Yes, sir.
You're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you.
All right.
The state was made aware, Judge, that the court is not inclined to give deferred adjudication, given it's a CDL.
Well, that's the
I
law.
would think that, well, Your Honor, it applies to courts of lesser jurisdiction. As the case out of Amarillo, if I think that's the case that the court may be relying upon, it applies to JP courts and it applies to municipal courts.
Case, yeah,
But-
okay, go ahead.
But it's the people's position, and also having talked also with Mr. Bailey, but after fair reading, I'll forget the name of the case, but after fair reading, those courts have no jurisdiction, Judge, to grant a CDL, although the county court in fact can. And I think that is a proper holding within the case.
Okay, well, the case that I read, and it's been a few years ago, basically states that this court is still following the guidelines of chapter 45, which does not give, because it is a class C misdemeanor, does not have the jurisdiction, cannot give us a deferred in that case. Okay, in the case when a person has a CDL, that's the case I've read. It's been some time ago, but I mean that's the way. And I mean that it's basically stated it in the case. I don't know what case.
It's the Court of Appeals out of Amarillo, so I respectfully request, then Judge.
I mean, you could
a
brief it and
third
give me a brief on it.
Yes, sir, that's what we would
Yeah.
request. The difference I would also request, well, Mr. Bailey can on behalf of his client. His client is in from South Carolina. If we could waive the next appearance, Judge.
Yeah, he could do a Zoom.
Okay.
He could do a Zoom. Now, if he wants to do a okay, yeah, he could do a Zoom. He could appear by Zoom. Now, if it's gonna plead, he has to be here in person.
Understood.
But if it's just he can appear via Zoom. She can give you the Zoom number.
Okay.
Okay, so he won't have to come down here.
We'll make an appearance on one and then we'll see what we do.
Right.
That.
That sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session in cause number 24 CCCR 1706. Case style, the state of Texas versus Latasha D. Green. Ms. Green, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Green, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Green, do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Ms. Green, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Green? You doing okay? That's good. Now, Ms. Green, you represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Tom Macy. Mr. Macy, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. Mr. Macy, did you waive a record in Ms. Green's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Ms. Green, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, Ms. Green, it alleges that you, Latasha D. Green, on or about March 27th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of theft of services that had a property value greater than or equal to $100, but less than $750. Ms. Green, do you understand what you have been charged with? And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
I think I'll put consequences.
Yes, and are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Ms. Green, I also have before me a document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials LG on a line next to a box that's checked no contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled discovery certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Ms. Green, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, he did.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, I did.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, it is.
to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Green, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
So tendered, Your Honor.
Any objections to State's 1?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection, State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Macy, you've advised and counseled Ms. Green. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Green, your attorney, Mr. Macy, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, I have.
Ms. Green, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given, and I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what's the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows. It would be 7 days in the Jefferson County Jail, time served, time actually served, and now court costs should be taxed and retired. Is that correct, Mr. Mason?
That is correct.
And Ms. Green, the state is offering that you serve 7 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 7 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. Court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Green, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes,
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
I can.
And do you accept the state's offer?
I accept.
Ms. Green, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Ms. Green, you're gonna follow the directions of the bailiff. You're gonna stand at the end of that table. Follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go.
Thank you.
And you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. And Mr. Macy, is this your only case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Okay, Mr. Stratton, your full name is Trevor Joseph Stratton. How are you doing, Mr. Stratton? A little tired? I understand that. Now, Mr. Stratton, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marvin Provo. Ms. Provo, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor.
Okay. And Ms. Provo, you're asking for a reset?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give us a reset date. This is Trevor Joseph Stratton, page 6 of the announcement docket.
May 4th.
Okay, this case will be reset to May 4th, 2026. Now, Mr. Stratton, I think we had in the past, you had using a facility. How are you doing?
Way better.
Good. Good. Keep up the good work.
Yes, sir.
All right. Like they say, you know, road to recovery is a marathon. It's not a sprint.
Slow down.
Yeah. And one thing about a sprint is a short race. Marathon, if you ran a long race, you know, you get tired along the way. But, you know, in your case, if you get tired along the way, just remember that you have some folks there that you can lean on for support. Okay. And just don't be ashamed to lean on. That's what they're there for. Okay. And so, you know, there's old song that says, "Yield not to temptation, for yielding to sin. Each victory will help us another one to win." So I just said that to say this. It doesn't get easier, but you get stronger, right? And it feel like it's easy. You know, the more you resist it, the stronger you get. Okay. And I know you have some children. You don't have no children, family, but family members is counting on you. Friends are counting on you as well. Okay. So just hang in there. Okay. Like I tell people this all the time, hang on, don't hang up. You'll be all right. Okay. Just don't be, just continue to do what you know you can do. You can do it. Okay. You just have to just go through it. You know, we all go through things in life. You know, we hit a term, they say, you know, we're in a storm, you know, and, you know, we're going through things. That means if you're going through it, you're going to come to an end at some point. Okay. So just continue to fight and stay strong. All right. And again, if you get a little weak on the way, lean on those people that's there for you. All right. And keep up the good work. Okay. All right.
Okay, thank
You can get your reset.
Okay, thank you. We would be excused.
Yes, you may be excused.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, let's see, the court will be in recess. Okay, court will be in recess. Mr. Mason Christopher Sanye. You can take your mic off of mute.
Yeah, can you hear me now, Judge?
Yes, Mr. Sonia, your case has been, your attorney filed a continuance, the state did not oppose. And so your case is reset to May 11th, 2026 for trial. On that particular day, you need to be here in court, in person.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset dates. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Make sure you're here on May 11, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. Cause number 25 CCCR 1112, case is Sala, State of Texas versus Timothy Neal Jean. Timothy Jean was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the bailiff called the name of Timothy Jean at the courthouse door. Timothy Jean did not answer. Timothy Jean has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:53 a.m. on today's date of April 6th of 2026. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Timothy Jean at the courthouse door? Okay, Timothy Jean's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Timothy Jean did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Jean an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, we move the bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
That motion will be granted. Timothy Jean's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. In cause number 25 CCCR 1112. Okay, and court will be in recess.
Judge Watson.
Jefferson County Court Alert number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. Two cases, cause numbers 23 CCCR 2389 and cause number 25 CCCR 3030. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Alejandro Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hernandez, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hernandez, you may put your hand down. Now, again, Mr. Hernandez, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing fine. And Mr. Hernandez, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jamal. Attorney Jamal, how are you doing?
We're fine today.
That's good. Now, Mr. Hernandez, cause number 25 CCCR 3030 will be reset for a trial on July 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. And your second case, cause number 2, that was 25 CCCR 3030 is set for trial. And the second case, cause number 23 CCCR 2389 will be reset on the same day. It is not set for trial.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And I also have before me a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court Alert number 2. I'm gonna hand this document to your attorney and he will hand it to you. I'm going to go over this document with you. And it states standard bond conditions in County Court at Law number 2. It says following return of a criminal information in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and a test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 3 states that the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offenses, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, condition number 4 does not apply. That only applies in the DWI case. Your cases, neither one of your cases is a DWI case. And so that doesn't apply. However, condition number 5 does apply. Condition number 5 states the defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless the defendant is a peace officer as defined by section 1.07, the Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, the warrant issued for your arrest, you'll be arrested, placed in Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you go. Now you're gonna get your reset on both of your cases. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you for your.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you
Yes,
for
sir.
your,
Yes, sir.
see,
Yes, sir.
maybe we'll go to lunch one day. Thank you.
Okay, next.
You get one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Then Derek D. Roundtree. Mr. Roundtree, how you doing?
I apologize for being late.
Okay. Now, Mr. Roundtree, your attorney was here, Mr. Adams, and Mr. Adams just informed the court that he just received discovery today in your case. So your case is going to be reset for May 4th, 2026. You're going to get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 1854. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jaden Janae Moore. Ms. Moore is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Moore, how are you doing?
Good.
That's good. Now, Ms. Moore, you're represented by your attorney, Tom Burbank. Attorney Burbank had to step out to go to another court. I have before me Assistant Criminal District Attorney, Attorney Cornelius Williams. And Mr. Williams, what's your announcements in this case?
We believe that the substantive end of justice would not be served by the continued prosecution of this matter. Therefore, the state has filed a motion to dismiss, Judge.
Okay, now, Ms. Moore, your case is being dismissed. If you need a copy of the dismissal, you can get with the Jefferson County clerk's office, the county clerk's office. They can give you a copy of it. Your case is dismissed. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Stay in contact with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
All right. You have a blessed day.
You too.
Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is in recess until 1:30. File jury trial.